Hello all, this is Mosili from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video we are going to continue the visual analytics. So in this previous video we are discussing about what kind of data will be retrieved and what is data visualization design options. So in this video we are just continuing that what kind of process we have made over to the data visualization in one by one. So these we are already discussed in the previous slide. So here the data is we can get the data in the form of two major types. So one is we can directly get the data from Google. Second one is in real time what are all the data we are collected, the everyday the data will be updated in that one sheet. So after collecting that, whenever we want the particular time series like 1 week, 1 day, 1 month or else 1 hour, so based on that time series we can get the data and we can analyze over to that any kind of open source softwares like a Tableau or Power BI. Okay, so that is the one part of data gathering. The next one is a function. So what are all the data we are collecting? So based on the data, how the raw data will be functioning over to that conversion of meaningful data. So if you're looking at this, so here we have to provide the accurate representation data. So whenever we are receiving the data, that should be in a accurate data. It is not any oscillation data. It should be in a finalized data. Then make it color and legible. So whenever we are collecting the data, whenever we are portraying in that output screen, that should be present in a very colorful manner. Then only they can easily understanding the data. Then next one, it is the purpose, and so it is very useful to easily understand the data, how it will be transformed from one position to another position. Okay. Then third one is a design option. So whenever it is a collaboration of data collecting and data functioning. So after collecting these two, then only we can form a good data visualization part. So what is the third one is design. So here we have to manipulate the entire design over to the data. So first one is we have to sketch out our process. So what are all the functioning part over to the data that will be presented in the sketch format process. And second one, create an impactful visual part. So which means if you are they are seeing that particular output, that should be make as an impact over to the customer. So based on that we have to frame the data. The next one, find a balance with one another function. So here whenever we are following these three, data collection and functioning the data, last one is the designing data, so finally it will be collaborating together and it is finally displayed in a very good data visualization. So which means accurate data visualization. So what are the features means? So first one is whenever we are combining a data and design, so what is the output means? Beautiful and it's present in a very pleasant manner. Then next, whenever we are combining a data and function, so it is a right and it will comply the data. So these three parts are combined together and making it is a very effective data representation and visual representation. The visual representation means it may be a picture, JPEG image, or else any audio or like MP3, like any video. So any HD video or low quality video. So based on that we can categorize the data into the single process. Then next, so these combining three, it is consisting of the data visualization introduction. Then next, what are all the combined technologies we have used for producing the effective data visualization, like a data management, interaction, graphics, then statistical analysis and natural science and information technology. The next, geographical related information. The next, expansion and communication and loss perception and cognition. So these are all the integrated technology or blended technology over to the data visualization. So at class, whenever we are processing all these technologies. So in this the data management plays a vital role for analyzing the data, because in that part only we can creating a table. So based on the table we are inserting more data. So after that we can collect the more number of data representations. So it will very useful to processing the entire data. Thank you.